What if you could turn the powerful DeepSeek Harness AI agent framework into a silky smooth, native desktop app without touching a single line of core upstream code? Most developer tools force you to choose between awkward local web servers or heavily patched, unmaintainable forks. Enter DSH Desktop, an open-source client that treats the entire desktop shell, window manager, and native system tray as modular plugins built on top of the Cordis architecture. Today, we dive deep into how this project scales local AI agent workflows effortlessly.
Scanning through the official repository, DSH Desktop has rapidly gained thousands of stars on GitHub. It bridges the official DeepSeek Harness local web interface into a standalone cross-platform experience for macOS and Windows. Instead of altering upstream code, DSH Desktop runs the official agent engine inside an isolated loopback web carrier, layering desktop capabilities like native window transparency, system tray integration, and crash recovery through an extensible community plugin standard called DSH Community Fabric. Let's examine how the underlying runtime architecture works under the hood. Upstream DeepSeek Harness operates as a headless Cordis plugin container driving agent logic and a local web server. DSH Desktop wraps this container inside an Electron main process without modifying upstream submodules. The desktop app launches local HTTP and WebSocket loopback servers, while the client renderer mounts native window controls and UI slot providers. Mode changes update configuration files safely, establishing a clean restart boundary across processes.
One of DSH Desktop's standout architectural decisions is its dual shell configuration, compatibility mode and advanced mode. Compatibility mode keeps standard web interfaces untouched for maximum stability across platforms. Advanced mode unlocks native platform materials, applying macOS sidebar vibrancy and Windows 11 mica translucent backgrounds. Because shell components are registered as UI slots, switching modes cleanly updates theme tokens and native traffic light controls without duplicating feature state or breaking third-party plugins. To solve plugin management fragmentation, DSH Desktop integrates a dedicated plugin marketplace. This subsystem allows users to discover, inspect, install, and update plugins directly inside the application interface. Built upon open catalog schemas, the market supports multiple data sources, third-party registry adapters like 1024 Store, and strict manifest validation. This guarantees that every installed agent tool or interface extension adheres to established interop guidelines without manual configuration.
Looking into the client entry code at DSH Community Market/src/client/index.ts, notice how clean the slot injection logic is. The application uses Cordis context effects to register new UI components directly into predefined UI seats like settings tabs, sidebar action footers, and overlay layers. By relying on slot interfaces instead of hard-coding layout views, community developers can inject custom sidebars or status monitors with just a few lines of code while ensuring proper lifecycle disposal upon teardown. Comparing configuration changes between standard web behavior and the advanced desktop shell reveals a disciplined approach to process boundaries. In the configuration YAML, setting DSH Desktop.mode to advanced prompts a controlled restart. Rather than attempting dangerous hot reloads of native Electron windows, the desktop launcher detects the committed settings change, disposes active Cordis contexts gracefully, and spawns a fresh process with modified native window flags and transparent visual layers. Diving deep into the internal three-tier subsystem topology, we see three strict abstraction layers: the main system host, the Cordis plugin runtime, and the web UI renderer. The main host handles Electron lifecycle events, workspace directory isolation, and log writing. The Cordis runtime dynamically loads service providers for agents, LLM providers, and commands. Finally, the web UI renderer renders injected React slots. This separation ensures that an agent tool crash never corrupts the native desktop application state. Taking a look at DSH Community Fabric/package.json, we see how the community interoperability standard is structured as a documentation-first specification. The fabric defines standard plugin capabilities, events, invocation transports, and diagnostics. By enforcing explicit engine constraints and automated schema verification scripts, The community fabric ensures that plugins developed by independent author teams remain fully compatible across desktop client releases and upstream harness upgrades. Setting up the project from source is straightforward for developers who want to build custom extensions or modify the desktop launcher. By pulling submodules, using Corpac Yarn, and running dev scripts, you spin up both the Electron launcher and the local harness web server simultaneously. The automated developer tools automatically set up workspace profiles, handle submodules, and output detailed debugging logs directly to your system console. Step 1: Workspace and Profile Initialization. Upon first boot, DSH Desktop creates a dedicated isolated profile directory containing default workspace settings. You can create multiple workspaces for different coding projects or AI agent research environments. Each workspace maintains isolated conversation histories, local database sessions, environment key pairs, and custom plugin settings, giving developers complete domain segregation without cluttering global settings. Step 2: Installing and configuring marketplace plugins. Launching the built-in marketplace allows you to browse categorized plugins such as custom sidebars, OCR layout recognizers, or TUI terminals. Clicking Install triggers the Managed Installer service, which downloads validated packages, checks Semver API compatibility against the active host version, and dynamically registers new UI slots without forcing a complete application restart. Step 3: Utilizing the Rollback and Recovery Assistant. If an unstable community plugin or misbehaving AI agent execution causes a crash, DSH Desktop provides a built-in recovery assistant. On startup, holding the recovery shortcut or selecting Tray Repair allows you to roll back bad settings, disable problematic extensions, and restore client functionality, guaranteeing your agent desktop remains functional even after software failures. When evaluating runtime performance and startup overhead, DSH Desktop delivers impressive efficiency metrics compared to standard browser tab setups. Startup time averages under 1.2 seconds, memory footprint remains lean thanks to process sharing between loopback web servers and Electron frames, and plugin load latency stays under 45 milliseconds. This lightweight footprint makes running continuous, long-running agent tasks smoothly usable on laptop hardware.
Observability and logging are critical when debugging autonomous AI agent tools. DSH Desktop automatically writes structured UTF-8 logs directly to standard application directories on Windows and macOS. System tray controls offer quick toggle options for viewing real-time log streams, managing workspace sessions, restarting background services, and updating host binaries, keeping developers informed without opening external diagnostic tools. Packaging and installation reliability received significant upgrades in recent release cycles. Windows users enjoy ultra-fast NSAS installers, portable executable builds, and fixed workspace transition crashes. macOS support covers both Apple Silicon ARM chips and Intel x86 architectures with custom DMG images, proper app icon insets, and signed binary outputs. Cross-platform parity ensures that dev teams on mixed OS hardware share identical agent desktop environments.
Security is paramount when running AI agents capable of executing local commands. DSH Desktop implements enterprise-grade sandboxing around its Electron presentation shell. Web preferences enforce strict context isolation and disable node integration within the renderer. External web links are intercepted and delegated securely to the host operating system, while remote network calls for plugin media pass through restricted proxy handlers to prevent remote code execution or data exfiltration. Inspecting DSH Community Market/src/network/restricted http.ts highlights this defensive architecture. The market service uses a restricted HTTP fetch client that strictly validates image URLs, header signatures, and payload content types before allowing remote assets to render inside the client. This design prevents malicious plugin sources from mounting cross-site scripting vectors or sending unauthorized outgoing network requests from your developer workstation. The surrounding DSH ecosystem is expanding fast with community integrations. Tools like Chfind provide learning resources, 1024 Store indexes thousands of community plugins, ModLens adds OCR and semantic document analysis, and DSH TUI offers full-screen terminal capabilities. Furthermore, remote phone control extensions like Agents Anywhere demonstrate how the underlying Cordis architecture allows third-party tools to interact smoothly with DSH Desktop.
Here is our honest technical critique. On the positive side, DSH Desktop delivers impressive modular architecture, native window elegance, zero upstream code patching, and robust security sandboxing. On the trade-off side, maintaining synchronization with upstream DeepSeek Harness release candidates requires vigilance, and advanced native window features like Mica Blur are limited to modern OS versions. Nonetheless, it represents one of the cleanest desktop abstractions for AI agents today. Looking ahead on the project roadmap, upcoming releases aim to introduce mobile remote execution capabilities. Developers will soon be able to monitor agent progress, trigger complex code generation tasks, and handle interactive approval prompts directly from iOS and Android devices connected securely to their desktop host. This seamless bridge between mobile monitoring and desktop computing marks the next evolution for local AI agent workflows. DSH Desktop provides a masterclass in building modern, modular desktop wrappers around complex AI frameworks without cluttering core codebases. If you want to streamline your local DeepSeek Harness workflow, grab the installer from the official repo, give the repository a star on GitHub, and build your first custom plugin today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts on this architecture in the comments below. See you next time.